Welcome for mathematics lesson. We're going to discuss area of part of a circle. The figure below shows a circle center O, radius 3 root 2 centimeters. Given that the length of the chord AB equals to 6 centimeters, calculate the area of the shaded region, leaving your answer in terms of pi. So we're going to calculate leaving our answer in terms of phi, the area of the shaded region. This is the shaded part. Maybe it's not very visible from your end. The minor segment here is the shaded part. The radius has been given as 3 root 2 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. For us to get area of a minor segment, we need area of the sector OB, can call this part D, OBDA, that is a sector, minus triangle ABO. So when we subtract sector and triangle, we get the minor segment. That means something very crucial has to be obtained here, and that is the angle at the center, angle at this part. Therefore, we can do it in parts, whereby let me now change my diagram so that I may extract triangle ABO, so that at this point M I can have 3 centimeters. Now that we had 6, then now the radius remains to be 3 root 2. So it means we can now calculate the angle at this point. And the angle at this point, now that this is right angled and we are having the hypotenuse, and for this angle its opposite side, then we can use the sine. The sine of the angle here, which is unknown, sine is given by opposite over hypotenuse. So 3 divided by 3 root 2. 3 divided by 3 root 2. Therefore 3 divided by 3 root 2. This is basically going to give us 0.7071. So that for us to get the angle, we need the sine inverse of this value. So in my calculator, I just need to sine inverse or shift sine this value, and this is giving us exactly 45 degrees. If this is 45, then it means the whole angle now is going to be 90. So the angle at the center here will be 90 degrees. So 45 by 2, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. With the angle at the center there, now it means everything else is supposed to flow. We need to get area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector is usually given by theta out of 360 pi r squared. So we subtract half A B, the sine of theta. This is area of triangle. Therefore, we're going to have 90 divided by 360 times pi, because we are to leave the area in terms of pi. So we not substitute pi. We leave it the way it is. Radius squared, 3 root 2 squared. Then we subtract half. One side is 3 root 2 times the other side, which is 3 root 2. Then the sine of 90, the angle between them, the sine of 90. So we can get these values, whereby this is a quarter, Then when we square this part, 3 root 2 squared, we're going to get 18. So 18 times a quarter, that gives us 4.5. So this part will give us 4.5 pi minus, this is going to be 3 root 2 squared. Remember, this is just 9 and this is going to be 2. So we have again 18 times half, 9, the sine of 90, 9 sine 90, it's going to remain 9. So it's only one part which has pi, the area of the sector. This is the sector, this is the triangle. So now we need to know that the final answer is going to be 4.5 pi minus 9 square centimeters. So this is going to be the final answer in terms of pi. Thank you for following, subscribe and share.